Hey, what up YouTube? It's Daisy, the hostess with the mostest, and this is a Techno Mom review of the Takstar SCG-598. I picked this up back in December when I first started my YouTube channel, and it was this and the Video Mic Pro, or Crow, the little one, and I've been dying to slap this on my camera and do a review and see if all the gurus were right about this thing. So let's unbox it and see if we can tell a difference between this and the Video Micro, see which sounds better, and you guys can let me know in the comments. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so let's unbox this Takstar SCG-598 recording microphone. And just to be fair, I am using a Rode Video Micro for the audio for this segment of the video because, obviously I don't know how to, put the Takstar on and, records for sound without putting something on my camera. I'm recording using my SL2, my Canon, with my 24mm pancake lens. So hopefully the sound is coming good through the Rode, but I have purchased this Takstar back in December for $25, and I figured it was time to unbox it and let you guys see it. And so in the next segment, we'll be able to compare to see which sounds better, the Video Micro or this Takstar. So let's open the box and see what we get here. First of all, the presentation is, it's really nice. Came in a nice box, right? And like I said, I got this on eBay. And presentation's very nice. So far, so good. You get this, this really nice Takstar felt bag. So I guess you can take this with you on the go. Put the mic in there and go. I thought that was pretty nice, pretty cute. I like that. You also get a Takstar product qualified certificate. Hope you can see that. So I guess that means you got an authentic product. And you also got some features and operating instructions. So that was right on top of the box. It's got this nice felt to protect it. And when you flip it open, there's the Takstar. She looks pretty nice, right? Let's pull it out of here so you guys can see that. Hope my arm's not in the way. And off the bat, it feels good. It feels solid. Truth be told, I think it feels better than the Video Micro, which I thought was kind of flimsy. But this feels nice, really compact, very nice. I've seen other YouTube reviews where the windscreen came in a separate compartment. So I don't know if I got a different model or whether now they're just putting the windscreen right on. But listen, with me, simplicity is the winner. So I didn't mind not having to do anything. I mean, it looks like it's basically set up and ready to go. This one, you will need a battery, AA battery. Here's the battery compartment. So let me see if I can slide this thing off. I already put the battery in so we can, skip all of that business. But there's the battery and it slides right in. It's a AA. And so that was pretty fast. Unlike the Video Mic Crow, I keep wanting to say Pro, but it's the Video Mic Crow, the small one that powers up the minute you plug it into the camera. This thing will need a battery. So I don't know if that's going to, be a deterrent for some of you, if you like simplicity. But it's nothing for me. Just get a battery, pop it in there. It does come with an indicator. So here's the on-off switch. And when you turn it on, it's green to signify that it's on. And it'll be red to signify that you're running low. So that's pretty good because if you are running low, I guess, you can switch out batteries and whatnots. It does come with a 3.5 milliliter stereo jack, right? So this is what plugs into the camera. You also have the clip for the flash mount. So that's down here. This is what's going to go on the flash mount, right? It's almost the same setup as the Video Micro. But the only thing that this has different is that it has, besides the on-off power switch, you get a 10 dB decibel gain switch And I'm assuming that this is to make it louder, so I'm going to leave it on at the 10. And then you also get a bass sensitivity switch, and I heard that you should also leave this on. That way it reduces a lot of the ambient noise, and whatnots about it. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below to the fellow YouTubers that I used, the gurus that really break down this thing. Because, on my channels, on my video and my channel, I don't really get into all heavy duty about what this thing does internally. Frankly, I'm just a consumer. I picked this up, and I want to see if this is going to do a better job than the Rhodes Video Micro, or even my lavalier clip. So we'll see if this does the justice. For $25, I've heard that this thing works just as good as some of the $299 Video Mic Pros. So, we shall see what the sound quality of this is. But I know that in my budget, I'm not spending $299 for anything. And the Video Mic Pro has been working pretty decently. So I figured, let me check this out and, see if it's, it's all it's cracked up to be. Now, in the box, they also sent a few extra of these shock mounts. I'm assuming that eventually these will, wear off. So you got 6 extra. I'm hoping to God that I never have to deal with that and never have to replace those things. But if you do, it came with about 6 of them, to replace them if they ever go bad. But again, I'm crossing my fingers that I never have to go there. But so far, like I said, the presentation is really nice. For $25, I mean, really, you can't go wrong. I got the Video Micro on Amazon for $50, and I think that thing went up to like $60 as of today. So I must have caught like a Christmas special. This was, like I said, $25 on eBay, but it feels good. It feels good in the hand, feels sturdy, much more sturdy than the Video Micro. I gotta say that. It almost looks more professional too. But let's plug it in, and in the next segment, we'll see how this baby sounds, okay? Like I said, I will leave all the links in the description below. And let's go ahead and check this baby out, see if the sound is better. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know if you did hear a difference in the sound. And, I'm really new to this YouTube video thing. And truth be told, I can't even tell the difference sometimes. But listen, I picked it up, I bought it, so I'm going to test it out, let you know my honest opinion, and hopefully you'll be able to chime in and let me know if you hear a difference. So, let's get to the test. Okay, YouTube, so I'm back, and the Video Micro is off, and the Takstar is now on. I'm about 2 feet away from it, from the camera and the mic. And just as a reminder, remember the unboxing I did using the Video Micro, so that way, we can do a fair comparison here. And the Takstar is now what's on. But hopefully you'll be able to hear some difference in sound, which one sounds better. Just for a little added bonus, my intro was done using, which one do you think? Which one do you think I used for the segment on the intro? Was it the Takstar or was it the Video Micro? I'll let you know in a few seconds, so continue to watch this thing so that you'll know, which one it was that I used. But anyway, so one of the things that I will say that unlike the Video Micro, that the minute you plug it in, you're ready to go, there's been a few times when I've actually forgotten to turn that on-off switch on the Takstar. So, you start recording a segment, and next thing you know, you forgot to turn it on. So I think that's one of the advantages of the Video Micro, that the minute you plug this in, it powers up, and there's nothing to turn on or off. Whereas the Takstar, you have that on-off switch. Now the settings that I'm using on the Takstar, I decided to turn off the decibel, the 10 thing, to make it louder. So that I turned off, but I did leave on the bass to reduce the ambient sound. So that was on, but I turned off the 10 decibel gain switch. So that's the settings that I'm using. And hopefully, this thing sounds pretty good. Like I said, for $25, you can't complain. The Rhodes cost $50, and I think it's $60 now. But, you know, like I said, I'll probably be switching off, on and off, depending on what I feel after I run this video through the edit. But, you know, just let me know. Chime into the comments below and tell me if you think that the Takstar sounds better than the Video Mic Pro. And, you know, I'll try to respond back as well. Let you know which one, I decided to use. I'll be doing a segment soon on this thing. I picked this up. It's called the Rock the Mic. And I'm going to try this on. It's one of the lavalier type of the clip-on mics. So I'm going to be doing a small review on this too. I heard good reviews, good things on this. So, you know, sometimes it's good to have options. And one thing that I wanted to let you guys know too is that I also had picked up this really long extension jack. You know, sometimes if you gotta be further away from the camera, especially, you know, when you're using, you know, like the Pancake, the 24 millimeter or the Nifty 50, and you gotta be further away, then you can just, you know, run a line to this thing, and I mean, it extends up to like 10 feet. So this wasn't bad. This was like 10 bucks or 12 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. And it actually works for both the Takstar and the Video Mic Pro, which is why I bought it. So that was a good bonus. So if you ever need to stretch or need some more, you know, length to the cord, this stuff is great. So anyway, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the review. And the intro was actually done using the Takstar. So the intro was the Takstar, the unboxing was the Video Mic Pro, and I'm finishing this up with the Takstar. So again, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Ciao.